You can already smell it. That's awesome. It smells so good. So the Adams Odor Bomb is a contained unit that utilizes chlorine dioxide as its main ingredient to get rid of any odors. Not like the Odor Bag or the Odor Neutralizer that you're masking odors, this is specifically designed, hence the name, to annihilate any odor in your vehicle. The reason why you would want to purchase one of these is if you bought a used vehicle or perhaps you're a detailer for a used car lot, you don't have control of what odors were in a vehicle or what might have been in a vehicle. With the Odor Bomb, that completely annihilates anything that was in the vehicle, whether that's a smoker smell, whether that's a dog had an accident or a pet accident, or children left food in there, whatever it may be, this will go after the odors and completely remove them. Inside this package, you're gonna take the top off, set it upside down so that way the ring is faced up. You're gonna have a little cup to fill with warm water. You have directions right here. This unit's gonna treat up to 250 cubic feet, so it's gonna treat anywhere from a small size Miata to a full size truck. It's gonna serve a lot of purposes for you. Inside this, you're gonna have the active ingredient, chlorine dioxide. So cut open this bag, it's gonna look like a little hand warmer. Place it in the bottom of the cup, put the cup on top of the lid, pour the warm water over top of it, open up glove boxes, glove compartments, any area on your car that has the ability to be open, whether it's a cigarette lighter, the rear cup holder in the back, open up everything, but seal the doors and windows away. So that way the whole inside of the car is open, but the exterior is closed. Put the bag in the bottom, pour the warm water over the top, close all the doors, and let this thing do its thing anywhere from 4 to 24 hours, whether that's a decently used vehicle that you just want to start with a clean slate, or you're really going to have to let it go to work and do its thing. But depending on the severity of the odor, your time's going to be, you can use your discretion wisely. On this, once you're done using the item, whether it be 4 or 24 hours, take the cup out, remove it, dispose of it, and let the car vent out for at least 20 to 30 minutes. Let the air cycle through, let everything do its job as normal, but make sure that you put that air system through the ringer so that way all the fresh air is getting pumped through. You have the option afterwards to go through and freshen your vehicle with whatever scent you choose, or just leave it alone, or throw up an air freshener, whatever you'd like to do. But you have the option to leave it be, let it be fresh and a clean slate, or to remove it with a pleasant scent. The Charcoal Odor Bag. Simple yet effective. This little nylon bag is convenient enough to throw underneath the seat, throw in the back of your car, wherever you'd like to keep it that it's out of the way of foot traffic. But this nylon bag inside has charcoal activated bamboo beads. So in a way, odors will be naturally attracted to this substrate, and whether it's a mildew smell or an unwanted smoke smell or anything that you don't want in the car, it's ideal for you. So with our 3 categories of odor removal products, or odor maintenance products, if you will, this product is going to be the one that once your vehicle is clean and you don't want to add anything into the vehicle, or you don't want to seriously eliminate anything, this is going to be a nice option for you. You can keep it underneath the seat. It keeps unwanted odors out. So I'm going to throw this bag underneath the seat and move on to Odor Neutralizer. Unlike the Charcoal Odor Bag, these items are a simple to use version. So obviously the Charcoal Odor Bag you can slip underneath the seat, leave it be, and honestly forget about it. But with these items you can spritz it into the actual seat, and it's going to encapsulate the odor. Whether there's a stain there that you just tried to clean out, didn't get the stain entirely out, but it's still there, still might have a fragrance to it, you can spray it into the seat, the carpets, the headliner, wherever you please, really. But it's going to attack the odor and mask it with whatever scent you pick, instead of just having a bag that absorbs the odor, or an odor bomb that's going to completely remove any scent whatsoever in your vehicle. Another plus side to these items is being able to roll up all the windows, close all the doors, open up all the air vents, but set your AC to recirculate. Let that puppy run and basically spray it underneath, so that way the odor neutralizer, again, whatever fragrance you pick, gets up into the air system, gets inside all the ducts, and every time you go to turn your AC on, you have that nice refreshing scent that you picked. If you're wanting to circulate any of the fragrances you choose through your air system in your car, set your AC to high, so that way the air is really kicking in through it. We're gonna choose clean cotton today. What you're gonna wanna do is obviously set it to the fan spray option. You're not gonna wanna stream it. Go ahead and do 2 to 3 sprays underneath the driver's side. Then the same thing for the passenger side, because you wanna be fair inside the vehicle. There we go. You can already smell it. That's awesome. So with these different options of odor removal, odor maintenance, odor refresheners, whatever you'd like to call them, we have the Odor Bomb that's going to strictly go after odors and remove them and get rid of any sight or scent of them. With the Odor Bag, it's going to maintain the smell that's in your car, so it's going to get rid of the odors, absorb them into the bag, and do its thing. It's convenient underneath the seat, in the back of the trunk, wherever you'd like it to be. It's out of harm's way. You can live about your daily driving activities and let this thing soak up all the odors. So with odor neutralizers, you can spray them wherever you please. They're more precise, they're more accurate. You can spray it in just the rear seats or just the headrests of the front seats. So you kind of have a tailored option now. These options are more broad, it gets the entire vehicle. These are more precise, you pick where you want the smell to be. So like always, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you want to learn about detailing tips, tricks, upcoming products, or just to see what we're up to here at Adams Polishes. We're always working on something great and new for you guys. Visit us on any of those channels or avenues of interest. If you're visiting us at any of our events, the next upcoming one is any of the Barrett-Jackson events. So visit us there. We're there on site to answer any of your questions. But other than that, we'll see you next time. Thanks for stopping by.